Asante sana. Wadogo. Sasa, my baby. Hi, Zoe.
Welcome.
Hi, Zoe.
Enjoy here.
Thank you.
Of experience in ICT sector, with a firm providing cybersecurity solutions across the Africa continent. For the past 4
I, Joy Karwitha, do solemnly swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Executive Committee Member of Lands, Physical Planning, Urban Development and Public Works in Meru County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times, when so required, faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the Governor of Meru County, that I shall do justice to all, so help me God.
I warmly congratulate her and welcome her officially into the Meru County Executive Committee. Do you feel welcomed? Mawaziri munamkaribisha? This moment is not only historic for her personally, but it also marks the completion of our CCM team. With her joining us, the engine of our county's development is now fully assembled and ready to move forward with strength and unity. Ms. Carrier, your docket carries immense responsibility. Our large resources, our growing towns, and our public infrastructure are all under your care. The people of Meru are looking to you with hope, and I am confident you will rise to the occasion with diligence, wisdom, and integrity.